How's it going, everyone? So in this video, I will be making a push-up workout. So before I get started, please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. I do appreciate the support. It helps my channel grow. Also, please follow me on Instagram, DylanBerg999. So the exercise that we're going to be doing today for the push-up is going to be the staggered push-up. This is a great push-up variation. We will do 6 repetitions. We will do 10 sets. 60 total repetitions. We'll switch the hand position each set as well. So let's get started. Again, a staggered just means one in front, one in the back. So we'll start this side first. All right. Again, I'm only doing 6 reps. I'd probably bang out about 10 on any other day, but I am still recovering from being really sore throat. So I'm only gonna do 6. If you guys want, you can do a little bit more, but I will just be doing 6 today. What's funny too is this is my 6th video of the day. So I got a pelvic floor, ab video, face fat video, and then I'm done for the day. So pretty easy videos to make. Shouldn't be too bad. And then I'm gonna watch my Netflix series, Bad Blood. I got 3 episodes left, and then I'm done the season 2. And hopefully they're renewing for a season 3 because it's a damn good show. It's the dude from Sons of Anarchy, Tig from Sons of Anarchy. That's the main character. Loved Sons of Anarchy. Great show. But yeah, I need to find another series after this. So I'm thinking Narcos maybe, or Narcos. I think it's with like the cartel and stuff. That looks really good. So I might try that. I think it's about the cartel. Let's do another 6. Okay, perfecto. Today I probably would have had a new morning low weigh-in, but last night I had a pound of pepperoni. So I wasn't that hungry, but I was kind of hungry. There's pepperoni in the fridge. I'm like, you know what? I'm gonna eat this. And I did, and I still weighed in 178 in the morning, which ties my lowest weigh-in in the morning. But again, if I would never ate all that pepperoni, I probably would have weighed 176, 177 in the morning. So maybe today I'll be able to control myself a little bit better, and I might have a low weigh-in tomorrow. So let's do another 6. Okay. Booyah. Just like that. Yeah, I feel super duper weak today. I'm actually getting a little bit hungry. It's 9 o'clock. I was up at 6:30. I did have breakfast today at 480 calories. I am waiting till noon, so 3 more hours to have my next meal. I have been drinking coffee, 2nd cup of coffee of the day. Coffee suppresses your appetite, so it's definitely helpful when you're trying to cut weight. So far during the day, I only drink 4 cups of coffee on the weekends. Weekdays I only drink 2 cups, but 4 cups of coffee on the weekend. I might have a little bit more just to help suppress that appetite a little bit more, because I need to get a little bit lower. I still have about 8 pounds to lose. So again, I want to get to 170 across the board for like a week. So 7 weigh-ins, all around roughly 170. So yeah, I started really good at about the 6-week mark. That's kind of when I drifted off a little bit. I think I'm almost done week 7. I think I'm halfway done week 7, maybe halfway done week 8. I don't know, but yeah, I need to finally get below 178. It's been a while. My new low weigh-in, I have got a new low weigh-in for after work. weighed 174.6, but that's after work. I need a new low weigh-in for the morning. I kind of have a secret weapon that I'm going to utilize tonight if I get super hungry, and that's going to be oatmeal. I have quite a bit of oatmeal in the pantry, and I'm trying to eat what's in there. With the oatmeal, I find oatmeal is one of the most fillingest foods you can eat, and there's like no calories in it, barely. You can have 3 servings of oatmeal, which is a ton of oatmeal, like it's a ton, and that's only 330 calories. Of course, you're gonna wanna add some sugar. Some brown sugar is amazing, but even if I add like a lot of brown sugar, it's still like 70 calories only. So it puts me at 400 calories. So that's what I will be utilizing tonight if I get super hungry, which I know I will. So that's what I'm gonna be trying out. So again, I already had about 500 calories in the morning. I'm gonna have 750 at noon, 2 peanut butter and jam sandwiches. That's 1250. I will probably have 3 servings of spaghetti, which is 650 calories. So that'll put me at 1250, 650, put me at 1900. And then I'm gonna do the oatmeal stuff, 2300 calories. I was thinking about having rice and ground beef, but there's no fiber in that. Fiber is what really fills you up. So I'm gonna go with the oatmeal. That'll only put me at 2300 calories, which is pretty good. I think that's what I need to finally break below 178. So we will see. I'd love to hit a 176 weigh-in. That would literally make my day. Because right now my lowest weigh-in, 178. My work, again, when I say my work low weigh-in, that means I don't eat breakfast or lunch when I'm working. So when I get home, I'm about 3-4 pounds lighter than in the morning. So if I weigh 178, my lowest weigh-in was 174.6. So I lost 3.4 pounds at work. If I can get to 176 in the morning, and then I go to work and I lose 3.4 pounds, that would put me at 172.4. So hitting 172 would be really, really dope. But again, small steps, and hopefully this oatmeal stuff will help me get there. One more set, then we're done. One thing I have in the pantry too that I need to eat up is, sadly, I have a 4-pound tub of whey protein. I haven't had whey protein in probably 6 months to a year. I drank it for almost 10 years, every day in the morning for 10 years. I hate whey protein now. I absolutely hate it. A lot of people think you need a ton of protein to build muscle, lose fat. That's completely false. You need barely, you can get if you're like a 200-pound guy, you can get away with like 100 grams of protein and still build muscle. So really don't need that much protein. You can get all your protein from food. You don't need supplementation. I'll do another 6 and we're done. But again, that is how the fitness industry works. It works by selling protein, and they make an absolute killing. It's a $1 billion industry easily. And again, people go super hard on the protein. You really don't need to. Even 1 gram per pound of body weight is like a lot of protein. They did a test for Olympic athletes that do weightlifting, so snatch and clean and jerk, and a lot of these guys train in a facility year round. They sleep in a facility, they train 2, 3, 4 times a day. all Olympic lifting, and it said for them to build muscle, they needed 0.7 grams of protein. So if they're 200 pounds, they needed like 130 or 140 grams of protein. That's guys training 3-4 times a day, genetic elite, and if they only need 0.7 grams, you probably only need 0.5 grams. So if you're 200 pounds, you need 100 grams of protein. Anyways, end of video. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Please like the video, share it. Please follow me on Instagram, DylanBerg999. Thank you.